The second phase of Azad Jammu and Kashmir elections concluded on Sunday amid renewed allegations of rigging by the Pakistan People's Party. Polling was held in 8 of the 9 constituencies of Muzaffarabad division and all 12 refugee constituencies. Voting began at 8 a.m. with polling in Muzaffarabad continuing until 6 p.m. after a 1-hour extension. The election in LA 27 Muzaffarabad 1 was postponed due to heavy rain, according to the AJK Chief Election Commissioner Ghulam Mustafa Mughal. More than 300 candidates contested seats in the Muzaffarabad division and refugee constituencies. According to the AJK Election Commission, over 800,000 voters were registered in Muzaffarabad division, while more than 400,000 voters were registered for the 12 refugee constituencies. The Pakistan People's Party alleged electoral malpractice during polling, claiming that its polling agents were prevented from observing the voting process at some stations. The party submitted complaints to the Election Commission regarding alleged ballot stuffing, bogus voting, removal of ballot boxes, and delays at polling stations. PPP chairman Bilawal Bhutto Zardari also accused PMLN of attempting to influence the election process. He alleged that PPP regional president Chaudhry Lateef Akbar was attacked in LA 31 Muzaffarabad and claimed that PPP worker Mushtaq Shah was killed in the same constituency. Bilawal demanded action against those responsible. The PMLN rejected the allegations and called them baseless. Kashmir Affairs Minister Amir Muqam urged political parties to avoid a blame game, saying allegations without evidence could not change election results. He said voters should be allowed to decide through the electoral process.
जिन जगहों में उसकी नहीं है और उनके कैंप्स इस तरह खाली पड़े हुए हैं, तो वो वही कह रहे हैं पहले से कि ये हो रहा है वो हो रहा है, तो मैं कहता हूँ कि इस तरह ब्लेम गेम से कुछ हासिल नहीं होना है। न आपके साथ कोई इस तरह बात है न सबूत है। वही भी अगर आप बात करते, ये बात सबसे पहले आप भी समझते हैं और हम भी समझते हैं कि वही उम्मीदवारान आपस में भी काफी है। कोई इसका सोच ही नहीं सकते कि कोई धांधली करे एक दूसरे के साथ और एक दूसरे का इस तरह छीन लेगा जबरदस्ती। आपके भी लोग हैं, हमारे भी है और दूसरे पार्टियों के भी है, और फिर वही लॉ एनफोर्सिंग एजेंसीज के लोग और दूसरे लोग भी उसको मॉनिटर कर रहे हैं।
The AJK elections are being held in 3 phases due to security concerns. The first phase took place in Mirdpur division on July 27th, while the third and final phase is scheduled for August 10th in Poonch division. The Election Commission said it would work according to the law and would not come under pressure from any party. For more on this, read the full Dawn story link in the description.